What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 256 gigabyte model in black. Now, before we get started, if tech is something that you're into, please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit that like button. That way the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get started. Also, before we get started, I just want to make a few quick announcements. Number one is we finally reached over 100 subscribers on this channel, so shouts out to you guys. I really do appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving the channel. Number two, I just recently had wrist surgery, so this unboxing will be a little challenging for me, but we will get through it. And number three, about a week and a half ago, I lost my mother-in-law, and that is the reason why I haven't been uploading videos in a little bit, because we've been dealing with that in my family as well as my surgery and many other things. So with that being said, let's get straight into this unboxing. So this is the box. It is very, very small, very thin compared to all the other boxes of previous years. One of the reasons being is because they took out the charger. So, you know, that's one of those things that Apple did to all the consumers. I guess they figured that since you've bought a lot of Apple devices, or if you're buying this device, then 9 times out of 10, you will probably have a charger. But for the most part, a lot of people don't. I actually have a charger because I also have an iPad, so I'll just be using my iPad charger with this. So let's try to hurry up and get through this as fast as possible. My wrist is hurting. So one other thing too, guys, once I unbox this and just take a quick look at what's in the box, I do have a case that I actually bought. They put it in the wrong box, but it is the official case for the phone, but they put it in the wrong box, so you know, you got to excuse the box. And I'm just going to show you guys. We're going to unbox it. I'm not going to set it up on camera. I'm going to do all those things after the fact, because this phone has been sitting on my shelf for about 2 weeks now, and I just hadn't had time to unbox it. So I just really want to unbox it, throw the case on, look at it a little bit, and then get out of here, just so you guys can know that we are still making videos on this channel and we are still here for you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and take the top off. And we're greeted with the iPhone in black. This is the 256 gigabyte model. I'm currently recording this video on my iPhone 10, as you can see, if you can see through the reflection here. One of the main reasons why I went ahead and upgraded was because I wanted to take advantage of the new cameras. I am still an avid 8 Plus and iPhone X user. I will still continue to use those devices. The 8 Plus is my favorite iPhone of all time, because that phone is just a tank. So I will continue to use that phone. It is still one of my favorite devices, and I will still continue to use my iPhone 10 as well, but I wanted to take advantage of the new cameras. So let's just go ahead and take this out. We'll sit this down to the side right here. And the only thing that comes in the box is just your usual books and stuff like that, SIM ejection tool, and your Apple sticker. So let me go ahead and put this back. My wrist is killing me, guys, but you know, I'm gonna put this to the side, but we got that 100 subscribers, so I had to make sure I came and showed you guys. And this is the cable here. It's just your lightning to USB-C, USB type C. So, you know, for those who don't have a charger plug, you will have to buy one. Like I said in the beginning, I do have a plug from my iPad Air, so I'll be using that as well. So this is the iPhone. Let's take this off. And here we go in all its glory. It's already a fingerprint magnet, but this is the iPhone 12 in black, 256 gigs, SIM ejection tray, volume up and down, silent switch, dual camera setup, glossy black back, which is a fingerprint magnet, as you can see, but it's okay because we'll put a case on it. Power button here, Tana bands, things of that nature. Phone looks really nice, really sleek. I'm gonna go ahead and sit it down because I am doing this with one hand. Let's go ahead and take this case out real fast. I already popped the top on it just so I can kind of get through it quick, because my wrist is hurting, guys. It is hurting. So let's take this case out. And just for time, I'll go ahead and slap this case on, and I'll come back and clean my phone and do all those things after the fact. So this is the case right here. Just a nice clear case with some black accents. So let's go ahead and pop this in, see what we got. And that's what it's looking like, guys. iPhone 12 black, 256 gig, and I am loving the way it feels in the hand so far. So anyway, guys, I just wanted this video to be really quick. Just wanted to unbox it, show you guys what it's looking like, let you guys know that I did go ahead and purchase an iPhone 12. I will come back in a few days after I've used it. I'm going to turn it on, get it all powered up, set up, and things like that. I will use it, and you know, we'll go through the usual tests: front facing camera, rear camera. We'll go through all of the video footage settings from, you know, 30 frames per second, 60, 24. We'll do all of those things, different types of videos. And every time I record a video, I always make sure I let you guys know exactly what I'm using to record, so you guys can take advantage of that. It's always located somewhere in the bottom corner, so you guys can know that these videos can be recorded with any kind of gear. Just use what's available to you at that time. So anyway, guys, it's been your man Jay. This has been the unboxing of the black iPhone 12 256 gigabyte model. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, shouts out to you guys for getting this channel to 100 subscribers, and I make sure I see you guys in the next video. Peace.